The very first one, that I will start with the data analyst one. So usually it's essentially for people in finance, in business, in marketing, in the healthcare, even in cybersecurity field as well. So one will be dealing with large data sets, trying to clean these data sets, process the data sets, find patterns and trends from these data sets, essentially trying to interpret these data sets. For the business intelligence analyst, one of their key responsibility will be to tell stories from these data sets. How do you visualize this? How do you create dashboards from these data sets? That will be the key task for the business intelligence analyst. Then for the data analytics and artificial intelligence, the big task will be, how do I automate this task? And that's where the AI tools come into play, like the machine learning come into play, where one has to use these advanced technologies to automate, to make it faster. For example, dealing with a big data sets, one we need to train these data sets using some of the tools I've mentioned earlier, especially machine learning. So how do I apply those machine learning models? How do I apply it to my data set?